Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling how to transfer money to Kraken in 2025. Kraken is one of the top crypto exchanges, and with the fast evolving world of digital assets, transferring funds has never been more straightforward. Whether you're a beginner dipping your toes into crypto or a pro looking for a quick refresh, this guide will walk you through it step by step. Let's dive in. First off, make sure you have a Kraken account. If you don't, head to the Kraken website and sign up using your email and a strong password. It's quick and secure, but don't skip the verification process. It's essential for compliance and unlocking full features. Once logged in, go to your dashboard and look for the Deposit or Funding section. This is your gateway to adding money. Now, choose your transfer method. In 2025, Kraken supports options like bank transfers, credit, debit cards, or even direct cryptocurrency deposits. For a bank transfer, select your currency, say USD or EUR, and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll get a unique reference number and bank details to wire the funds from your account. If you're transferring crypto, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, navigate to the crypto deposit option, select the asset, and copy the provided wallet address. Always double-check it to avoid costly mistakes. Security is key in 2025's crypto world, so enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, on your Kraken account before proceeding. This adds an extra layer of protection against hacks. After initiating the transfer, keep an eye on your account. Bank transfers might take 1 to 3 business days, while crypto deposits are usually instant. Once the funds show up, you're ready to trade. And there you have it. Transferring money to Kraken is simple and efficient. Remember, crypto markets can be volatile, so only transfer what you're comfortable with. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.